Hey guys, Steve from Proformance Unlimited here with another beautiful motor on the dyno. This one's been in R&D for the last 6 months now, but the final pieces came together and I want to show it off to you guys. This happens to be the Ford 7.3 liter Godzilla, custom done with the Whipple 3 liter on here. And man, does this motor make some power. If I tell you what, this is the LS killer in my opinion. I think this is where finally Ford shined its face in designing the lower end block, allowing us for engine builders to build some wild power with it that's drivable. This motor just made around a little bit over 1,000 horsepower and pretty much the same in torque. You want a screamer? This is the motor. Give us a call, 800-267-3940. Let's take it in a dyno run.
Nice little Whipple sound on it too.